Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy a domain name on GoDaddy. And if you already have your account, for example, of GoDaddy and you want to buy a domain or you want to buy a new domain and something changed and you cannot find it, basically you're going to click these settings dots and you're going to click shop godaddy.com. Now you will be redirected to this homepage, and now you want to search for domains. So let's search for a domain. As you can see, this is the price you can pay for a domain. And as you can see, XYZ, for example, costs not a lot, only like £58, and that's that. You can actually buy it that cheap. If you want something like .com, it may cost you a lot of money, but it really depends on the name of your website. Now, to buy the website, you're gonna add it to cart, and after that, you can see that your cart is more than it is right here. So you want to view your cart, and as you can see, they are offering you the price for 5 years, which is actually really great, and it doesn't cost much. But if you want it just for 1 year, your card will change, and basically it will cost you only that. Of course, it depends on the domain name. Now you can also buy a full domain protection. So this basically means that it prevents from stealing and so on. Now you want to continue to cart. As you can see, you can also add some add-ons. And yeah, when you're ready to pay, or you maybe have a promo code, but basically, I'm ready to pay, you're gonna click that. And you will be redirected to your checkout, and you're gonna complete the purchase by clicking this button. You're gonna enter all of your payment details, billing information. You can use PayPal or your card here. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.